Hi, I'm Danny Lipford with today's Homeowner. You hear the term smart home all the time, but what can you do to kind of ease into having your own smart home? Well, what I did is to replace one switch and it made a big difference. Here it is here, and basically this is from GE. It's from their series C by GE, and this smart switch took me about 5 minutes to install. I paired it with a free app, and now I'm able to do a lot of things, whether it's in my house or across the country. I can dim this light, I can crank it back up, I can set it up on a schedule, I can pair this switch with any voice activated system like Alexa or Google Assistant, and I don't need a hub, I don't need a bridge. It's so simple to install this and to start utilizing it in your home for a little comfort and convenience. It's even motion sensing, so when I come in to get a cup of coffee in the morning, the lights slowly come right on. So it's very easy to install yourself or to have an electrician take care of it for you. Now, home technology is affecting a lot of other things, and recently I remodeled my master bathroom, and in my shower I installed a humidity sensing exhaust fan from NuTone. It's pretty cool because when the relative humidity in the shower area gets up to a certain level, it automatically comes on, and then it'll turn itself off when it reaches the level of relative humidity percentage that I really want in that bathroom. So I leave the switch on all the time, and the fan comes on and off as needed, and that has virtually eliminated all mold or mildew. They also have some very quick kits that you can change out that doesn't even require you to get in the attic. Now, also, home security is a big part of home technology. So the video doorbells that have been out on the market a while, they work great, and I prefer those that are motion activated so that you can detect anybody on your front porch and record them and get an alert for it. Also, you have deadbolt locks that you can remove your existing bolt and install one that's wireless that you can monitor and open and close the lock from anywhere you might be. That's a convenience. They also have apps for even your garage door to tell you whether your garage door is closed or open, and you can control it as well. And these are available, these type of smart home devices are available everywhere these days, and you can find out more about it by going to todayshomeowner.com.